You know what you're watching. DS Learning Finance. Whoa.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite YouTuber, Dami Solari, and you're watching, I don't know if you could tell, but yeah, DS Learning Finance. Whoa, I've got some brilliant news today, and I'm going to let you guys know about it. Yep, the property is officially done. It's done. I ain't gonna do it no more cause it's done. It's done. Hey, it's done. I ain't gotta do it no more cause it's done. Not really a good song, is it? But yeah, it's finished, guys. And being a man of my word, I told you guys I was gonna show you some more images, some more videos of the property. So I'm gonna do it later on in this video. So make sure that you guys obviously check it out. I've also got some really bad news to tell you guys, which I'm not happy about property. But on the flip side, I've got some really good news to tell you guys as well. So make sure you definitely watch this whole video and stay tuned to the end. Well, here it is. Myself and my brothers, our first property. Gosh, I like the sound of that. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's got a nice ring to it. Don't you think? As you guys can see, the property will be rented out fully unfurnished. That's cool because I don't have any more money to spend on furniture. Your boy's broke and almost ready to go right now. Like, in fact, why am I saying almost? It is pretty much ready to go right now. Let me show you guys the rooms in more detail. Check this out. Alright, now this is the smallest room in the property. Probably be for the very baby of the house. Yeah, it's basic, but we decided to paint it all simply white because for simplicity that's the best thing to do, and it makes the house look more spacious. White is naturally a spacious looking colour, but yeah, and plus it's cheap. This is the middle room, guys. As you can see, it's a fairly decent size. Let me stop swinging around, let you guys get a full span of the area. Yeah, it's a decent size for a double bedroom. And this is the master room where all the magic happens. Lots of baby making in this room's going to happen. You get the lovely view, lovely jubbly, as you guys can see. Well, but yeah, you get the drift. Going down the staircase to the main living room. This is the living room. Mind the noise. Oh, it's over there.
Oh. That's why this watch is good for you sometimes, man.
Apple Watch, innit? And on to the bad news, guys. The boiler's not working. Like, it is broken and Brokeback Mountain. Like, it is completely finished. It's finished. And we spoke to the manufacturer, and basically we're looking at either cutting off half of the boiler and replacing it with another half, so a quick fix, which is still not cheap. It's £800, but that doesn't guarantee that the boiler will fully work. But and the other option is buying a completely new boiler, which obviously will guarantee that the boiler will fully work with warranty and whatnot. So we've gone for that option, which means that it's much more steeper. We're going to be paying £2,000. Yes, I said it, £2,000 collectively. But the key part is collectively. So it's not as steep as if you were paying it by yourself, because I bought this property with 3 other guys, my brothers. It's each £500, so it's not as bad, but still, like, that's a lot of money, guys. Like, it's a lot of money, and it's quite frustrating. Frustrating to see yourself at almost at the end of that finish line and just before you get there you see a massive blockade, and that's basically what this is. But hey, I've departed myself with the money. I almost cried to depart myself with that £500 because I could use that to invest in stocks and whatnot. So yeah, your boy's frustrated at this, I'm not gonna lie, but at least it's done now, and we've arranged for the boiler man to come in, well, this week. So as you're watching this, chances are that the boiler man's coming in right now to fix that boiler in the property. So it is ready for next week. Cool. Let's forget about that bad news because I don't want to remember it anymore. I want to delete it out of my mind. And let's focus on the good news, which is we've got tenants. Oh yeah. You know how I told you guys I can't remember when exactly, but it was a few weeks ago to a month ago, that sort of period, that we had a lot of interest in the property. Well, turns out we've got some official tenants, guys. We've got people that are ready to move in. And when I mean ready, I mean like ready, like within 7 days, like next week. So that's why we're really pushing for this boiler man to come and do his job and replace the boiler with a new one so that we can get some money in. And you know your boy loves money. And as you guys can see, this is all music to my ears because now I am starting to see the fruits of my labor. All of them weekends that this property robbed me of, all of that effort, that time spent, I've had to sacrifice to get to this point where now I have another form of passive income to earn money from. And it's just such a brilliant feeling, guys. I cannot stress it enough. I really can't. That's why I tell you guys that you have to increase your multiple sources of passive income. It may require a lot of effort, it may require a lot of time, money initially to do it, but once it's done, it will always be there to give you more money and for very little effort afterwards. So yeah, your boy's happy. That's all I can really say. I'm ecstatic. I'm officially a landlord. And yeah, well, my company is officially a landlord that I'm a director of, which makes me indirectly a landlord. But yeah, your boy's happy. It's your favorite YouTuber, Danny Solaru. I talk about stock market investments. I talk about financial management. I also talk about property investments too, like this one. Giving you that consistent content, you know, before you guys can go about doing whatever you're gonna do for the rest of your day. Yep. Say it with me. Like, subscribe, and share. DS Learning Finance. Whoa, property done.
Whoa.
Bye.